ಆರಾಮಾಗಾಯ್ತು. ಫೈನಲಿ ಸೂಪರ್ ಅಡ್ವೆಂಚರ್. K03. So it's good to be back behind the handlebar now. You start. I just forgot to put the dust cover over the saddlebag. So this is where I stayed. Relax hotel. Yeah, it was one entire day of relaxing after 3 days of riding. All the issues with the bike has been sorted, and I'm good to continue my ride ahead now. It was quite late last night, about 11 o'clock when I got the bike out onto the road. But yeah, pretty much got the job done in a day as planned. So I'm not behind schedule. I'm right on time as of now. I'll be heading to the Royal Enfield service center here in Morana, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's Morena. So I'll be heading there meet the people who suggested me to come here and get the job done. So go there, meet them. I need to get the bike washed. See, there's so much oil all over the place. It was late last night, so there was no washing available. So we'll just make it to the next town and head to the Royal Enfield Service Center for a quick wash. And right towards Delhi. Enough talking. Let's fire her up. Need to fuel. Yeah, I forgot that. Chalo. We have fuel station right here, so and that is done. Oh yes, I totally forgot about the GPS because I don't know the roads from here. Let's see if we could find a board. I don't want to keep going around in circles, so this was the zoo that I visited. This is the premises of the zoo. You see all the pictures of animals painted on the walls. There is a zoo as well as a flower park. That is where I went and spent about an hour's time when the bike's job was being done, when the crank was being reset. Hey, K03. That's a Karnataka registration car. Back to the same Royal Enfield service center. It is Vedrani Motors. We'll go meet the people there. Get the bike washed. And then head back to Agra. I mean head towards Agra, not back. If it wasn't for these people, I don't think I would have started my ride today, or I would be off schedule completely. Morning. Just coming, fine. वॉशिंग करना है बस. हाँ, कल रात 11 बजे हो गया तो पूरा ऑयल वहीं पे है तो वो हीट हो जा रहा है जल्दी. हाँ. हेलो भैया.
ओके, हो गया गाड़ी? हो गया, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल वॉशिंग करा रही. अच्छा, तो कभी वहाँ वही निकली होगी जो मैंने बोला. हाँ, क्रैंक रेसेट किया तो सब कुछ हो गया. Done. He was the one who suggested Ravi in GWALIOR for the work. Vedrani Motors here in Morna.
ठीक है. थैंक यू. थैंक यू. हाँ, अभी 70 में ही वापस रिटर्न आते वक्त मिलता है. So, like that, we finished our visit. I did pick up a t-shirt from them, from their store. Got the bike washed, lubed. Got some minor changes as well done. Very nice person. The guy who runs the place, his name is Abhishek. I think I would be stranded if it wasn't for these people. Very kind people who came out of their way to help me out. Thankful to them that I'm back on the road. And today is the day when we'll be meeting Yatish, who will be joining me on this winter ride to Spiti. So he's already boarded the flight from Bangalore. So I think it should be approximately the same time that we reach Gurugram. It's about 266 kilometers from here, which will take 4 hours and 47 minutes is what Google says. The time is 5 minutes to 12. So we had lunch here at Asli Prakash Dhaba. I don't know why it's called Asli, but yeah, this floor is Asli Prakash Dhaba is what he says. I was bored of recording the same old roti dal fry menu that I keep ordering, so I just had lunch, walked out. We're about 120 kilometers away from our destination for today. I don't have to go all the way to Delhi. I will be taking a detour before entering Delhi on the outer ring road itself, and we'll be headed straight to Gurugram. So I'm on the Western Peripheral Expressway now. Delhi was to my right, so since I am headed towards Gurugram, I think this is the easier route rather than going into the city and coming out. I'm almost here. I just need to about 10 minutes away to finish off with today's destination. And so this will be the end of leg 1 of this journey. I think this is the place. Here's your t-shirts. Ripple Trade Center. ಆರಾಮಾಗಾಯ್ತು. ಫೈನಲಿ ಸೂಪರ್ ಅಡ್ವೆಂಚರ್. ನೋಡೋ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಸೆಟಪ್.